The Subway Sunday Tailgate Special. Brady Quinn will deliver 3 footlongs for the price of 2 any Sunday.
Wait a second. Sundays I'm kind of busy. Sorry.
Scratch Brady Quinn. Still get a free footlong when you buy 2 any Sunday.
No matter how demanding my workout is, I'm not done until I finish it with EAS Mileplex. Taken within 30 minutes after my workout, the high-quality protein in Mileplex helps me refuel and build lean muscle. That way, I don't waste my workout. Now I'm done. Grab your EAS Mileplex at a leading retailer near you, or for your free sample, go to EAS.com.